was 16, too young for me. I was 21. I never understood.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, well. Feel each other now, baby. Hey, yeah. That's it, right. You should both be gone. Some people can.
What you have to say about bro?
Some people can love one of them.
Good vibes, good food, and good cuts.
Baba, what you have to say?
We're here for the community. We have a beautiful day. The sun is shining. We have the steel band. We have the DJ. We have everything. And you can come get a good haircut. Come.
That is it. What if have a life on the gram when me do. Body's Baba, hear that? Mad thing. Are YouTube live, you know? Yeah.
Right now, I know you're concerned of it.